excited about this program. We have a beautiful Norwegian-inspired program, all music of Ola's. The primary piece is called The Road, and it's really inspired by a little area in Norway called Yelo, and it really takes you into the path of Ola's him remembering the and the hikes that he went on and the beauty of that. And so that piece is going to be with string orchestra and followed by lots of smaller works, including Tundra. A lot of people know that in the choral community. That's just and it's one of my personal favorite pieces. And so it's really inspired by the landscape of Norway and just with beautiful support, and especially in Cadogan Hall. We're so excited to perform there. It's a beautiful hall.